Hi, this is Mark for the Muse Group Training and Development. This in-depth course in HR planning focuses on the competency framework and competency-based requirement and selection. On the first day, we'll cover the methods and processes of designing competency frameworks and the cascading of competency framework at the recruitment and selection process. Day 2 will be about the cascading of competency framework at the performance measurement process. We'll also cover learning and development. On the third day, we'll focus more on the importance and the use of competency recruitment. And day 4, we'll cover assessment tools and competency-based recruitment, the decision-making process, and measurement of competency-based recruitment efforts. On the last day, there will be a long simulation session that will bring together everything you learned in the previous 4 days. This will give you the advantage of experiential and discovery training. Our methodology in training is to combine the theoretical, practical, and simulation sessions with each other in one intense training course. This ensures that each candidate obtains both the knowledge and skills needed to perform as a successful manager. We guarantee that our training will provide you the complete set of skills that you would not be able to get yourself through self-study. Only 20 candidates have the opportunity to join this course, so book your seat now and enjoy the event. You can also download the full brochure by clicking the button at the right side of this video. All the best, and we'll see you in class.